So we just completed the first 5 feet by 4 foot area, which was really bad, and shouldn't have started it today. It's too darn hot. Don't do sidewalk work when it's 90 degrees out and you're in the sun. But anyways, it's a lot better than it was. I tried to use thick pieces, but I really would like to put something here so that truck drivers don't think they can just drive across here. But I don't know if the town's going to go with it. See, the problem is when they miss their turn, they look for the next street to the right. Well, all the other streets down this road have had the same problem, so they've done stuff. Either a tree or a telephone pole or a sign, something to block it. But this one's wide open, so this one looks like the one to take, which really is the worst one because it dead ends. Well, you have to turn right or left down there, and there's no room for a tractor trailer. So we've had them come down this road, and then they've had to back up. And the one that did this went ahead and did it anyways and took down some tree limbs and signs and everything else. This person should have lost their license, but they didn't, of course. They didn't even get caught. They got away with it. So anyways, this is a lot better now, and I hope it stays that way. Time to quit.